Most of us can only dream about our next overseas holiday, but for one intrepid traveller, coronavirus is just another chapter in an otherwise epic journey. Jin Jiang left South Korea almost a decade ago and has been cycling around the world ever since. While she's stuck in Australia for now, that hasn't stopped her adventure. Dominic has the story.
It's a globe-trotting feat that's covered more than 80,000 kilometres.
Car is too fast and walking is too slow, so I decided to cycle. I decided to travel by bicycle.
9 years and 74 countries later, Jin Jiang finds herself on the Gold Coast. Her mission is simple.
See wild koala. And the second thing is see wild wombat. And third thing is learn surfing.
The 33-year-old cycling adventure has earned her a strong online following.
80,000 kilometers is quite a really long way.
Far from home, in the middle of a pandemic, one of her 42,000 followers offered her a place to stay.
When I saw that she was coming to the Gold Coast, I thought, this is my chance. Maybe I can meet this amazing person.
After cancelling a holiday to China in January, Gold Coast resident Zoe Milsom and her family opened their door to a stranger.
She's travelled the world, and let's bring the world into our home. So I guess, it was my way of trying to, live virtually through Jin, maybe for a little while.
The mother of two says she saw it as a great opportunity for her children.
We've got a new family member now. We've got, I've got my sister Jin and the girls have got Auntie Jin.
And this family is like my best friend on my trip, and I really appreciate it.
Jin Jiang was able to venture to some of Australia's most popular tourist spots before coronavirus restrictions came into place. Her plan now is to head north to see as much of the country as possible.
So I was really afraid to start cycling, but this is one of the miracles I've faced, that people are so welcoming.
Dominic, ABC News, Gold Coast.